Today, there is a fighter jet that is rapidly gaining global attention. It is neither American, nor European, nor Russian. It is Pakistan's JF-17 Thunder, a combat aircraft that is quietly becoming the first choice for developing countries. But the real question is, why is the JF-17 selling so fast? And why are countries across Africa, Asia, the Middle East, and Latin America choosing the JF-17 Thunder over expensive American and European fighter jets? In today's video, we will present a complete and unbiased analysis. Segment 1. The real problem of developing countries. Many countries around the world, such as Bangladesh, Libya, Sudan, Indonesia, Malaysia, and numerous nations in Africa and South America, fall into the category of developing countries. Their biggest challenge is simple. They cannot afford American or European fighter jets, because a single American or European fighter aircraft can cost anywhere between $80 million to $120 million. And price is not the only problem. Segment 2. Political restrictions. Slight serious tone. When the United States or Europe sells fighter jets to a country, they attach strict political and technical restrictions. They decide who the aircraft can be used against and who it cannot be used against. These jets include built-in monitoring systems, weapons upgrades, and even spare parts remain under their control. In many cases, the United States outright refuses to sell aircraft based on its own political and regional interests. Segment 3. Why European jets are not the solution. European fighter jets are often even more expensive than American ones. The reason is simple. Europe has limited production capacity, while the US manufactures on a massive scale. As a result, jets like Rafale and Eurofighter Typhoon become nearly impossible options for developing nations. Segment 4. Why the Russian option is weakening. Now, let's look at Russia. Russian fighter jets are powerful and relatively cheaper. However, the problem is that most modern Russian fighters are twin-engine aircraft. Two engines mean higher fuel consumption, greater maintenance requirements, and much higher operational costs. Smaller and mid-sized nations usually need a single-engine light fighter. Additionally, Russia has faced severe international sanctions in recent years, making the supply of weapons and spare parts uncertain. Segment 5. Why not buy directly from China? This is a very sensitive point. China is a direct rival of the United States. If a country purchases Chinese fighter jets directly, its relations with the US and the Western world may be negatively affected. Moreover, Chinese fighter jets still do not enjoy the same level of global trust as American, European, or Russian weapon systems. And this is exactly where the JF-17 Thunder emerges as a smart solution. Segment 6. JF-17 Thunder, a game changer. The JF-17 Thunder is a joint project between Pakistan and China. Approximately 58% is produced by Pakistan, with the remainder by China. It uses the Russian RD-93 engine, while assembly, testing, and support are conducted in Pakistan. Most importantly, this aircraft can be purchased without formally entering China's military bloc. This means the United States raises fewer objections, and Europe also avoids strong reactions. Segment 7 to 4.5 generation capabilities. The JF-17 Block 3 offers capabilities comparable to a 4.5 generation fighter. These include AESA radar, beyond visual range BVR missiles, advanced avionics, electronic warfare systems. These are the same capabilities found in Rafale, F-15, and Su-35 class aircraft. Segment 8. Missile power, slight impact pause. The JF-17 is capable of carrying China's advanced PL-15 BVR missile. The export variant reportedly has a range of approximately 150 kilometers. This places it on par with, and in some aspects superior to, the American AMRAAM and the European Meteor missiles. Segment 9. Price. the biggest reason. Now we come to the most important factor. The JF-17 Block 3 is available at a price of approximately $25 to $30 million. In comparison, Rafale, Eurofighter, and American fighter jets can cost up to $120 million per unit. This is why, for developing countries, the JF-17 represents an excellent value for money option. Segment 10. Operational cost and training. The operational and maintenance costs of the JF-17 are considered among the lowest in the modern fighter category. In addition, Pakistan offers pilot and ground crew training at significantly lower costs compared to the United States, Russia, or China. This is another key factor that is attracting many countries toward the JF-17. Conclusion: confident and hopeful tone. The JF-17 Thunder is succeeding because it is affordable, modern, politically safe, and tailored to the real needs of developing countries. If this momentum continues, the JF-17 Thunder could become Pakistan's largest defense export in the coming years.